Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing the HelloFresh part 2 of, I don't know how to say this, za'atar chicken and Couscous. I don't know. If y'all know how to say it, let me know how to say it, because I don't know how to say it. But today we're gonna be making this. This is my meal prep for this week, or half the week, and it came like this, just like my other one. It came in the bag. Let's see, and let's see what we got. Dang, we got a lot of spinach. A lot of spinach. Just a lot of spinach. A lot of spinach. Luckily, I'm the type of person that likes spinach. We had 1.5 cup of Israel Couscous. Like I said, I don't know what this are. This is a little bit, but it is for 2 people. So we gonna see. We got 1 lemon, y'all. I'm about to cut this into like little pieces and squeeze on there because I love lemons and I just want to eat this. We have this chicken. We had this last time and I didn't like the taste of it, so basically I'm gonna just pour this on Alani's dog food and she can eat it. We have, this is mixed with sumac, sesame seed, black pepper, thyme, marjoram, and oregano. Oh, this is a tardy spice. My bad. And then we have sour cream. HelloFresh sour cream. I'm not a sour cream type of girl, but we're gonna see. I feel like we need some chicken. The chicken breast is right here. So we're gonna cut this up and we're gonna get started. finally finished. I didn't look at the time when I started and when I finished because I was just doing a whole bunch of other stuff, but I did want to try it. I did get a little bit, so I did want to try it, see how it tastes. This is my first time trying this, so hopefully it's good. You will know if it's nasty because my facial expressions will tell it, but let's see if this is good. This is good. I don't know what these little things are, but it's pretty good. I think I like this better than the spaghetti. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty good. So that's what I'm eating for. It's a little bit, so it'll probably last me about 3 days. I did have some spinach left over, so I will have like that with a side of a salad, spinach, using that. But thank you guys. Sorry about the lighting because I am in my kitchen. So thank you for part 2 of the HelloFresh, and I will see you guys next back here next time for the meatloaf. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel, become an A1 Day 1, and make sure you press that bell and get all the notifications when I post up the other 2 videos and the rest of the videos in this series. I need a little hot sauce on that. But yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.